Why most trading rules quietly destroy your account. The dangerous comfort of rules. Most traders believe rules protect them. They believe if they follow the right checklist, use the right ratios, or obey the right formulas, profits will eventually appear. But here is the uncomfortable truth. Rules do not protect traders. Understanding does. And when rules replace judgment, they quietly destroy accounts. Why rule-based trading fails. Beginner traders love rules because rules remove responsibility. A rule tells you where to enter, where to exit, how much to risk. You do not have to think, you do not have to interpret, you do not have to adapt. But the market is not fixed. It is alive, fluid, and driven by human behavior. Static rules applied to dynamic markets create friction, and friction creates losses. The illusion when discipline becomes stubbornness. Many traders confuse discipline with obedience. They say, "I followed my rules, so this loss doesn't matter." But repeated losses always matter. If a rule produces constant stopouts, emotional fatigue, and hesitation, it is not discipline, it is blind faith. Professional traders respect rules, but they never worship them. The real edge, context over formulas. Professionals do not ask, "Does this trade meet my rule?" They ask, "Does the market support this idea right now?" They look for structure alignment, momentum agreement, volatility conditions, market participation. Rules guide decisions. Context decides them. Why small losses still destroy confidence. Traders are told small losses are part of the game. That is true, to a point. But frequent small losses train hesitation, create self-doubt, weaken conviction. The mind does not measure loss in percentages, it measures loss in repetition. Professionals design decisions to reduce unnecessary friction, not tolerate it endlessly. If this is challenging how you've been taught to trade, that's intentional. Subscribe to Online Trading Hub for weekly lessons on trading psychology, high-probability setups, and smart money strategies, designed for traders who want clarity, structure, and consistency. The professional shift, feedback over fantasy. Professional traders value fast feedback. They want to know quickly, was the entry correct? Did momentum confirm? Was the read accurate? When feedback is clear, skill improves. When feedback is delayed or distorted, hope replaces learning. This is why professionals avoid strategies that rely on endurance rather than precision. Action step: how to trade rules correctly. Here is the correct hierarchy. Market context first, setup quality second, rules last. Rules exist to support judgment, not replace it. If context is missing, the rule does not matter. If structure is unclear, the setup is invalid. No rule overrides reality. Why simplicity outperforms complexity. Most struggling traders are overstructured and underaware. They track too many conditions, too many ratios, too many confirmations. Professionals strip decisions down to what matters: direction, timing, risk. Simplicity survives pressure. Complexity collapses under stress. Mental reset. Trading is not a math problem. Trading is not arithmetic. It is probability, behavior, timing. The market does not respond to clean spreadsheets. It responds to participation, emotion, and imbalance. Once you accept that, urgency fades and discipline becomes natural. Final truth: Why most traders never break through. Most traders do not fail because they lack information. They fail because they outsource thinking to rules. Rules feel safe. Understanding feels uncomfortable, but only understanding scales. In closing, the professional decision. So ask yourself, are you following rules to avoid responsibility or using structure to sharpen judgment? The market rewards traders who adapt, not those who obey blindly. Rules may guide you, but only awareness keeps you alive. Trade with clarity, trade with context, and let rules support, not replace your thinking. That is how professionals trade.